This is Pond Boy for Pond Boy's Angling Adventures. We had some huge rain last night, and there's a grate. It's usually completely out of the water. I've learned over the years, there's a lot of these pipes and ponds by my house. If it rains hard enough and fast enough, it'll pull carp in. The trick is right now is that it's late in the year, and a lot of these carp kind of said I've had it. I did see one right next to the grate. I'm going to try to fly first and see if I can get his attention, but it is raining hard. These trees are always so much fun. There was. Dang it. There was a fish right here under this tree. See, he's right. There was a fish right here. See his tail? I'm going over him right now. See, there's another tail right there. There's 3 or 4 fish right underneath me. I'd love to get one on a fly before. And there's one right here and there's one right there. There's at least 2 right here. Oh man, one fish is huge. One over there, they're all over the place, so I just have, look, there's one at my feet even. I'd love to catch one on, basically what I got is just a yellow egg pattern I use for salmon, like a piece of bread or a piece of corn. Trying to see if I can get one of them to grab it. That looked like a hit right there. It is! It is! I got one on a fly. I got one on a fly. That is the coolest. All right. Yes, I got one on a fly. This is awesome. So I got a 7/8 weight brownie and a Martin reel. I gotta get back to that. I gotta get back to my net. I'll let him go for a little bit. It's right here. That's a big fish. That was awesome. Yes, look at this fish. Big, beautiful fish on a fly. Alright. Yeah. That was worth getting wet for. Oh, that was awesome. That was incredible. Look at that. Oh, I gotta take some pictures. Alright. Goodbye.